Yo, sup guys? I'm gonna be sharing with you a promo code to get 1 research point, these little pink things, and 500 company coins, which are those yellow things. So you go to promo code and then you type in fan tax coin, and then it should wait. Let me. And then you press that. Wait. Well, I think there's no spaces so you have to spell out Phantom Tax Coin. And that is how you get the promo code. Also, there's another one to get this jacket. It's called Play with Devs. Play with Devs, no spaces, and then you can, I already redeemed it, so, and you can get this jacket. It's really common right now, so yeah. Also, there's another one called Made for Me. Oh wait. Me. With the 4, and then I already redeemed that. And there's another one.
Let me show you something about this. This will send you up in the air.
Uh-oh.
Let's hurry though, because it might be
called
Bro, I'm master like little cheesy face.
Nobody needs to change.
Alright, Froggy Boy, I'm coming down. I'm coming down, Froggy Boy. We're gonna do it. Guys, we're gonna be nuking the server in 3, 2, Alright, I'll wait.
Hand me your info grenade.
It's 2 time, guys.
No!
2 time per second.
And so there's another jacket. No. Clothing stuff. Yeah, it's this black Varsity jacket. It's just the same thing but black. I forgot the code for this. Also, sponsor is Dill9875 for being my 50th subscriber and giving me these codes to show you guys. So yeah. This is all for today's video. Also, by the way, for the Happy Holidays one, you get the elf. So yeah, I'll give you more promo codes. So bye.